welcome to another vlog of mine. I hope you enjoy today's vlog. It would be over the weekend that this vlog will be occurring, so I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. I haven't vlogged in a while. I haven't even also dedicated some time for YouTube in a while. Today is Saturday and it's the 2nd of October, and this week was my birthday week, so I kind of took a bit of time off YouTube, I guess. Oh my god, my hair is like not cool because it's like so dark on the roots, but don't worry, that will be fixed very soon, hopefully. I decided to do a vlog, and this vlog will probably be coming up next week. So today what I have to do is I have to edit a video for tomorrow, and I wish to film the project pan as well. Those are the goals of this weekend that I wish to do in accordance to YouTube, and obviously I have to upload tomorrow's video, and I need to answer some comments as well, and obviously interact with you guys, which is something I love doing. I function on goals, that is how I function. This morning it was raining, which is quite extraordinary because we obviously haven't seen that in a really long time in Malta. It was also thundering and lightning, and now it's just a little bit blue, you know what I mean? It's still very cloudy and it probably will rain later on. To be honest, I don't mind it, but it has actually, you know, led to me basically taking this morning quite easier, I guess, if you would say. I had quite a bit of a tough week. Today we should be going out as a family for mine and my grandma's birthday because we celebrated together, me and my grandma. I don't know yet if we're gonna go because it depends if my grandma feels up to it. So yeah, hopefully it will be, because obviously we're gonna go to a place that she wishes to go to. So it was something important for me, obviously, to go and do that with her. Obviously, I have to see how she feels, and if she doesn't feel up to it, you know, it's important that we don't push her. And yeah, but yeah, this week has been quite heavy. I mean, I had my birthday. This week was my birthday week because we had our birthday, me and my grandma, on Wednesday 29th. And I'm officially 28 years old, which is crazy to think because I can't believe I'm 28 years old. A lot of people say that I look younger, which I thank them for. And obviously in the future, when I'm 90, I hope it will still be intact, that I look younger, you know what I mean? If I live to 90, of course. Let's see what this vlog basically will hold. Tomorrow, I'm actually going for an escape room, so that's exciting. Obviously, I don't think I'm gonna film it, but I'll tell you all about it then. But I'm really excited to do that, obviously. In my hands, actually, right now, I kind of wanted to also dedicate this weekend's vlog also in collaboration with Depology, and basically try out their eye patches. I'm going to try out one today and I'll try out another one tomorrow because I have two different types. The type that I will be trying out tomorrow is this one right here, and it basically comes in a box like this, and it's the Depology Restoring Day Under Eye Patch. It's a hydrogel eye patch, and it comes in a tub like this. This reminds me a lot of the Pixie Beauty Under Eye patches as well, so I will definitely give this a try, but I'll do this tomorrow because I'm more excited to try out the other ones, and I'll talk to you guys about these tomorrow. But then we have these, and I've actually seen some reviews around as well of Depology. I just wish to thank the brand obviously for giving me this opportunity to test out the products. It really means a lot, and I get to share them with you guys. So basically we have this box right here, which basically looks like this. These are the Deep Care and Serum-Infused Micro Dart Patches. Sounds cool, eh? It's like a wrinkle smoothing solution, and inside each box you get 8 patches, which means that you will get 4 pairs. And basically they are infused with like these micro darts, and basically they have these serums and they get an upgrade. And it says over here that our Deep Care Plus serum formulation targets creases and lines by dissolving deep into the skin, helping to give your skin a renewed radiance from the inside out. So I'm really excited to try this out. So basically, I'm gonna try this out. I've already washed my face, and it says that you have to actually allow your face to kind of dry up before you apply these patches. Now these you can actually leave overnight, but obviously since I'm not going to be leaving them overnight, I'm going to leave them for 2 hours because it says you can leave them at least for 2 hours. And I'm probably going to stay playing The Sims or either edit a video, but I feel like playing The Sims, I don't know why. I'm going to apply them together. So the patches come in a packet like this. So in each box you get 4 of these. We have applied this product immediately after opening the pouch. It's important to store at room temperature and avoid direct sunlight. Keep patches away from moisture, and these patches are for one-time use. I'm going to follow the steps of the patches. So it says apply the patches to cleanse and dry skin. So like I said, guys, it's very important that your skin is dry when you apply these. Remove the patches from the film. Avoid touching the micro needles. Oh my god. This is how the patches look like though. Pretty insane for eye patches. Like pretty high tech if you ask me. Apply the patches and press gently on the center to assist absorption. And leave the patches for at least 2 hours, or else you can leave them overnight as well. So let's try it out. I'm going to open the patches. So it comes, ooh, they come beautifully packaged actually. To obviously try and not touch the darts, which I am assuming are the ones in the center. So this is how they come. So I always get confused which side is which. Let's apply one. Hope I apply these good. Okay, so we have the eye patches on. I look cool, don't I? Okay, so I'm going to leave them on for 2 hours now. And then I will come back and give you my honest opinions. Like, my under eyes need some care and love because this week was quite intense. So I'm kind of curious to see like what these darts, these micro darts do and the serum does. They don't feel quite as liquidy as normal under eye patches I've tried before feel. So that is quite interesting to note. I'll leave everything linked down below for sure if you guys are interested in these under eye patches. And in 2 hours, I will come back and tell you guys my thoughts. But I have to say that the way they are packaged comes in quite handy, and I don't know, they sound pretty cool to me. I'll be right back in 2 hours and I'll let you know how this goes. Ignore my hair because it's very frizzy. I wish to show you how my under eyes look like. I mean, they're very, very, very smooth on both sides. So I do feel like they did their purpose, which was to kind of smoothen my under eyes, and also like my fine lines are quite smoothened as well. So in my opinion, it's quite a good eye patch, under eye patch. I don't know. I am really excited though to try out the other ones, which are more sort of watery in a way, because I think I prefer something like that. This was quite drying, I feel. It's a little bit, you know, prickly. So I don't know if that's like the darts doing their job or something, but I have to say that sort of my under eyes look really, really smooth. So yeah, I'm really, really tired, guys. So now I think I'm gonna go have a nap. That's what I feel like doing, I think. I say playing The Sims, and that's what happens, I think, when I play The Sims. But I might go have some tea. Literally today is just, you know, just a relaxing day, because that is what I feel like doing. I wish to obviously share my thoughts on these Depology Deep Care Plus Serum-Infused Micro Darts patches, and I don't know, I like them. And I will definitely be trying out the other ones because my under eyes do get like they would have quite a bit of fine lines underneath, so definitely will have to try them again. But overall, like my under eyes feel really smooth. Then tomorrow I will try the Hydrogel patches and I will let you know how those go. So I'll talk to you guys later, and I hope you're all having a lovely week. Hi guys, so I'm really sorry that I didn't talk to you much today, but it was just a day where I wasn't really having a good day. I guess it was one of those days. So that was why probably I wasn't talking as much, and I literally didn't do the goals that I set to do because I didn't have the motivation and the energy. And you know, you're gonna have days like that, and it's fine, and it's okay not to be okay. And I think it's very important, as a friend of mine told me today, to listen to your body. I haven't been listening to it for the past week, and I needed to listen to it today. So today I literally I played The Sims, and I started reading a book, and I finished my last summer book because now I start reading some Gestalt books. So basically that is what I did. And now I got ready and I did a simple makeup look using my Project Pan items, which I still have to film the Project Pan update of September. And we're going to go to the restaurant. I'm very happy that we're gonna go. This is a nice way to celebrate me and my nan. I can show you the outfit I'm wearing. Basically the hairband, which is from Jade with Love, the Maltese basically purse designer, and she comes out with like scrunchies and hairbands, and I absolutely love this one. And I'm wearing my Daniel Wellington watch. I have these earrings on, which to be honest I forgot where I got them from. And then I have this ring and this ring basically, which again, I don't remember exactly where I got it from. And then this is what I'm wearing today. It's basically a dress from Shine. I'm wearing my Primark heels and my Primark bag. So that is basically what I'm wearing today. Oh, by the way, what I want to say about the eye patches are they're amazing. Like my under eyes never looked so smooth. As you can see, like I have makeup on, but usually with makeup, even with concealer, like I would have like those fine lines still popping through. But with these under eye patches, it did its job. So I'm really, really happy with them. So I definitely recommend them for you guys, especially if you're growing older like me. So you have to take care of your beauty more. So yeah, I used to say that because I think it's quite important. And then tomorrow I'll try the other ones. So yeah, but tomorrow first I'm going to go out for breakfast. That's exciting. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi everyone. So today is Sunday and it's the next day, and I went out for breakfast this morning, but it was really like quick and rushed and I left late as well, so I didn't have time to obviously share with you the breakfast. But we had a really nice time and I met a friend of mine and her beautiful family, so we did that. And I put on some makeup, and again I just put on, like, applied the Project Pan product that I'm using. I wish to try these, but I wish to, obviously before that I'm going to remove like my makeup, and then later on I will apply makeup again. It's fine. It's fine. I mean, this takes me 5 minutes because it's a simple makeup look, and I think this is what I'm gonna do later on as well. I won't put any mascara on, and like that I'll have an easier place to clean. This weekend I think I took it off from YouTube. I feel like I didn't have the energy to dedicate time and energy for YouTube, so I just decided to take it a week off because I needed to spend time with my family. I needed to spend time with myself, and I don't know, if I would have probably taken out a video today, it would have probably been blech. This week on Thursday I'm going to have my braces appointment, which I'm really, really excited for. But what I'll do is I'll actually do another separate video. I think that deserves a separate video than this one. So yeah, but just a bit of a braces update. This is my braces now. I just had chocolate, so if they're brown, that's why. But yeah, they're looking not so bad. Like the gap that he told me, which prevented him from taking off my brace, seems to have reduced. So in my head, I'm thinking, okay, maybe it could be that this week I can remove my braces, but we will see, basically. So that's really weird. I'm not gonna have like this feeling of boxes in front of me, in front of me teeth when I close my mouth. So yeah. Oh yeah, I got used to them. So that was a little bit of a braces update, but I'll definitely do another vlog next week. Hopefully it will show you, obviously, that I removed my braces, and maybe actually by the time this goes up, I would have removed them. Maybe, we don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna remove my makeup and we'll be trying these out. These are the Restoring Day Under Eye Patch with Hydrogel. They're the Hydrogel eye patches. And over here, I wish to read this piece because I think it's important. Take a moment to relax with Depology. So Depology's Restoring Under Eye Patches increases hydration and supports skin's ability to retain moisture, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. These hydrating under eye patches may also help to alleviate puffiness and dark circles for some wearers. See results in just a few moments by leaving them on while you relax. So basically we're going to get our skin clean and dry before applying the patches, and then we're going to place one pair of the hydrogel patches under your eyes, relax for 10 to 15 minutes, and then remove the pair of patches and gently tap the remaining serum from the patches around the under eye area. See and feel the effect. So basically yesterday I tried out those other eye patches with the micro darts, and I have to say, like, they're absolutely amazing, and I still feel like their effect is still felt today. But I'm just going to apply these to see, sort of, I do have a little bit of bags under my eyes simply because I am a little bit tired, mentally and emotionally, not physically tired, I feel. But that's fine, that's life, and it's okay not to be okay, just as I said. But yeah, I'm gonna basically apply these and I will remove my makeup first. So these are the under eye patches, the hydrogel ones, and let's just open that so we'll show you. But this is the packaging. I think the packaging is absolutely beautiful. And this is how it opens up. So you have the little spatula, which is this one right here, which you can obviously use to help grab the under eye patch. And then this is it. I wonder how you open it. Oh yeah, from here. Okay, these are them. So we're just going to basically apply them. So I'm going to just take, ooh, they're so liquidy. Okay, so I've applied the under eye patches and I'm just basically going to relax. They're actually falling down, so you definitely have to apply them as you're maybe lying down so they won't basically move. But yeah, they feel really nice. As soon as I applied them, they feel beautiful. So I'm going to set my timer to 15 minutes because I want to enjoy their full use basically, and I'll be right back. Okie dokie, so it's time to reveal my under eyes after I have applied the Hydrogel under eye patches for over 15 minutes now. So what I like doing is I kind of like tapping my finger where they were, but my skin feels so soft and it looks so smooth, and like my under eyes look amazing. So I really wish to say thank you to Depology for obviously sending me these products. Give these products a thumbs up from Depology, both the ones I tried out yesterday and even these ones, the Hydrogel under eye patches. Honestly, they are amazing. So yeah, I'm really happy with my skin right now, so that's pretty good as well. This evening we're going to go to an escape room and then we're going to have maybe some drinks and a platter or something. But yeah, just a chill Sunday with Kezia. I hope to maybe just stay answering your comments because at least I get to do that, so maybe I'll get to do that. So yes, I just wish to say hello and goodbye, but definitely recommend these Depology under eye patches because they are bomb and they really help my under eye bagginess. So yes. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi everyone. So basically I just wanted to finish the week's vlog because I did not close the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry if most of it obviously was at home, but that's what I got. It was also a vlog to show you and share with you the Depology, and I absolutely adore them, and I'll leave everything linked down below. And again, thank you so much Depology for the opportunity. So I'm going to end the vlog here. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.